Hi Lunami, happy birthday. Today is your birthday. And I wish you all the best. I miss you, sister. I love you and hope to see you soon. Let me sing you uh let me sing you a birthday song. Hope makita mo to. Alalahanin mo na mahal kita. Hindi ko man yun maipaparamdam sa'yo palagi. Pero bilang eldest sister mo, mahalaga ka sa akin. I miss you so much. I really wish na happy ka ngayon kasama ng pamilya mo. Bilang kapatid mo, bilang nakakasanda mong kapatid, lagi kong hinahangad ang kaligayahan nyo. Happy Valentine's Day also. Alam ko, masaya ka ngayon kasama ang pamilya mo. Mahalin mo sila. Ang tagal na natin hindi nakita. Miss na kita. Pasensya na. Kilala mo naman yung ate mo. Masyadong emotional. Naalala ko, nung nag-aaral pa ako, nagkulang yung pamasahe ko. Tinutulungan mo ako. Alam ko hindi ko mababayaran yung pagmamahal mo sa akin. Pero, hindi ko lang sa Panginoon lagi kayong masaya, nasa maganda kayong kalagayan. Uuwi na ako, magkita tayo. Pagpatensyahan mo na. Ito lang ang maiaalay ko sa'yo ngayon. Sana okay ka lang dyan. Today is your birthday, a very special day. You must be happy more than yesterday. Forget all your sorrows, it's time to rejoice. Today is your birthday, a very special day today. You can hear the voices from your brothers and sisters singing a birthday song. Everyone is wishing a happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Look at the sunshine rising up above. shining up the mountains, surrounded by the lakes. Look at the birds flocking down the trees, singing sweet melody on a very special day today. You can hear the voices from your brothers and sisters singing a birthday song. Everyone is wishing a happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Everyone is wishing a happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, sis. I love you so much. Kamutanan, mahal ko kayo. Yun ang lagi niyong tandaan. Matagal man akong nawalay sa inyo. Pero mahal na mahal ko po. Mahal na mahal ko kayo. Maraming salamat sa lahat.